Hello you guys, and welcome to another episode of I Haven't Done This Before, and it's 2 o'clock and I'm changing my wheel hub assembly and it should only take half an hour. Okay, so we got our tools over here. 36 mil socket, 3/8 Allen, some extensions. Holy cow, these are on there. Okay, we might have to just go straight to the and this is supposed to be the easy part, taking off your wheels. Oh, the wheel's coming loose, so let's jack this thing up and see what happens next. Let's try the extension piece. I just stomped with the ratchet strap kind of like this and put all my weight on it and it released. So there's that. And then I was like, you know what, maybe I should film because I didn't think I would get this far. We'll see what happens next. Now my ratchet seems kind of stuck. Oh, it looks like that's coming out, but how do I get the ratchet out is the question. It's right up on the shock. Okay, now it's going back inside. I don't want to take the shock off because that will be ass. There's a bit of a, we might be able to use an adjustable on it. No, come on. Yes. Okay, that might be hand ready. No, but at least it's moving. That's a big deal. I might have to blur it out. You can also get like a closer shot. That would probably be good too. Not of the crack of me getting this out. I don't know if they fully come out. I think they just loosen off because that one is not coming out. So these 3 bolts are what need to be undone. So now we get the WD.
Seized up.
Yeah, these look like they're a problem. $15. Okay, moment of truth. Moment of truth.
Something hard.
Oh, not bad. We might be able to get this done now. The last little bit of daylight. Oh, there's the ABS. Oh, the ABS is cut, so I don't even need to worry about taking that off. This is your ABS. Yeah. Wow, the hub is off. People aren't gonna like that I'm not cleaning this, but that's okay. Don't mind. Okay, so here we got the Timken wheel hub. The moment I've been waiting for a while. New hub. Okay, so.
There's this thing that came out.
Yeah, it's the washer.
Okay.
Just put that back in. Get the gloves back on, and Kyle's wheel hub will be officially replaced, and that feels good. This guy goes like this. It's funny that I woke up at 8 a.m. to get this done, and it's like, I don't even know what time it is right now. This is torqued to 188. This is torqued to 165. Torque wrench. It looks just like an ordinary one. So it's 188. And it's important to torque this to the right one. If it's over tightened, it'll kill the bearing prematurely. And if it's under tightened, you'll like damage it. In line with get a confirmation on it. good. Yes. That sucked. I honestly didn't think I was going to do this tonight.
I know.
Those are on. All that's left is putting the wheel back on. We live still?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, so here is the old hub that is garbage now. And we have the new hub, all torqued, everything to spec, and life is good. And the wheel is plumb, because with this, it was not plumb. And now the wheel's nice and straight, and that's step one for Kyle. Anyways, half-hour job. Cut.